So this is the Donner keyboard, and I'm going to put it into the USB port of my computer. And as you can see, it lights up, and then it's ready. Now you can see that it's got drum pads, it's got keys, it's got transport buttons, and it's got these sliders here, and then it's got these wheels. So there's a lot of different options on this, plus it's got the modulation slider and the pitch slider for pitch bend. So you got a lot of options. You also have a way to map all these Midi items to your software, and I'm going to show you quickly what I've done with Pro Tools. All I have to do is set up the Midi controller number, and I looked up the numbers for Pro Tools and put those controller numbers in for the various transport items. So you'll notice if I press this play item here up on Pro Tools, it starts to play. And then if I press stop here, it will stop. So I'm controlling everything from the keyboard. I can rewind, I can fast forward. So I'm doing all that from my keyboard, and that's the beauty of this. It's a simple keyboard, but it can do everything that any really good keyboard can do, and it's nice and compact. And now I have this keyboard mapped to an organ, a B3 organ on my in my Pro Tools. So all I have to do is hit the keyboard. I can hit record, and I can do that on my keyboard, and then start recording. And as I play, and I'm using the modulation, and I can also map my drum set. I have a drum set, and I can map that to the pads. So you see, it's really a pretty good all-purpose keyboard.